હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9 રિવિઝનમાં ક્વેશ્ચન 2A હું સેડ હોમ યુનિટ 1ના કેટલાક અહીંયા મેં લીધા છે. ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે યુનિટ 1 ચિતાઝ ડિયર. ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે ધીસ ડિયર આર રિયલી વન્ડરફુલ બટ આઈ હેવ ટુ રન અ લોટ ટુ કેચ વન ઓફ ધેમ. આઈ હેવ ટુ રન કેચ વન ઓફ ધેમ. તો આ સેન્ટેન્સ કોણ બોલે છે અને કોને કહે છે એ આપણે લખવાનું હોય છે. જો શોર્ટકટ લખો તો ધીસ સેન્ટેન્સ વોઝ સેડ બાય એડી. ધીસ સેન્ટેન્સ વોઝ સેડ બાય એડી ટુ હિમસેલ્ફ, અથવા એડી સેડ ટુ હિમસેલ્ફ. એડી સેડ ટુ હિમસેલ્ફ. સેકન્ડ આપેલું છે સેન્ટેન્સ કેન આઈ બી લકી એઝ ધીસ બ્યુટિફુલ કપ્સ. ધીસ સેન્ટેન્સ વોઝ સેડ બાય એડી ટુ હિમસેલ્ફ. થર્ડ છે આર. અહીંયા આરની જગ્યાએ આહ એ એચ અને એક્સ્ટ્રા મટીરિયલ. ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ બેટર ટુ હેવ ટુ સ્લેવ ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ વન. It is always better to have two slaves instead of one. This sentence was said by Eddie to himself. Everybody of our tribe will hate you because you are lazy and weak too. This sentence was said by Shano ટુ એડી. શાનો એડીને કહે છે. ફિફ્થ સેન્ટેન્સ યુ હેવ બ્રોટ ડિસઓનર. યુ હેવ બ્રોટ ડિસઓનર ટુ ધ હોલ ટ્રાઇબ. This sentence was said by Sano to Eddie. You have broken the rule of our tribes. This sentence was said by Shano to Eddie. But you are lazy hunter. This sentence was said by Shano to Eddie. We know that a hunter must hunt with his own own strength and skill. This sentence was said by Sano to Eddie. Unit 2 Dental Health. Who said whom? First આપ્યું છે we must visit a dentist. This sentence was said by Ashokbhai to Sonia. Hello, young lady, what's the matter with you? This sentence was said by Dr. Sharma to Sonia. I am prescribing some medicine today. This sentence was said by Dr. Sharma to Ashokbhai. અહીંયા અશોકભાઈ આવશે. Would you tell me why I got this cavity? તમે મને કહેશો કે મને આ કેવિટી શા માટે થઈ? This sentence was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. I brush my teeth only in the morning. This sentence was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. What is the right way of brushing the teeth, doctor? This sentence was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. Cleaning of mouth is the first requirement of the dental hygiene. This sentence was said by Dr. Sharma to Sonia. Enamel coating? What's that? This was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. This was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. No one should feel embarrassed embarrassed સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક છે ઇમ્બરેસ્ડનો, EMBARRASSED, embarrassed. About physical deformity. This sentence was said by Dr. Sharma to Sonia. Now I am thinking of taking up a project on dental health. This sentence was said by Sonia to Dr. Sharma. Well, Sonia can come alone. She is a brave girl. This sentence was said by Dr. Sharma to Ashok Pai. Unit 3, Mohan and his Veena. Who said whom? I want to play the guitar only. કોણ બોલે છે? તો I want to play the guitar only. This sentence was said by Mohan to himself. Mohan to himself. Second sentence આપ્યું છે, guitar does not have effect which our instrument do, and moreover it's not from India. This sentence was said by family member. This sentence was said by family member. કોને કહે છે? તો family member said to Mohan. Third sentence આપ્યું છે, do you know your father does not approve of your love for the guitar. તો આવું પણ કહે છે. This was said by, જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક હોય ત્યારે સેન્ટેન્સ ના લખો, તો this was said by Mohan's auntie to Mohan, અથવા Mohan's auntie said to Mohan. Let him follow his heart desire. Let him follow his heart desire. This sentence was said by Mohan's mother to the family members. You need to work very hard with the new instrument. You need to work very hard with the new instrument. This sentence was said by relative to Mohan. Relative to Mohan. There is no instrument. There is no instrument for me but guitar. This sentence was said by Mohan to himself. This instrument will become my face to the world. અહીંયા became joint છે. This instrument will become my face to the world. This sentence was said by Mohan to himself. Unit 4. Where is your darling Kalua? This was said by Govinda to Abu Mia. Second sentence. I have seen her footprint. I have seen her footprint going to the hill. This sentence was said by Govinda to This sentence was said by Abu Khan to Govinda. Third sentence આપેલું છે, that devil must have killed. That devil must have killed her. This sentence was said by Abu Mia. This sentence was said by Abu Mia to Govinda. Fourth sentence છે, I will call you Chandni. I will call you Chandni. This sentence was said by Abu Mia to his new goat. Fifth sentence છે, Hi, Abu Chacha. You look happy and healthy. You look happy and healthy. This sentence was said by Govinda to Abu Mia. Sixth sentence છે, She loves me a lot and even I can't live without her. Even I can't live without her. This sentence was said by Abu Mia to Govinda. 7 છે, I saw you. તો અહીંયા સોનું અહીંયા આવશે SAW. I saw you talking with your darling. This sentence was said by Govinda to Abu Mia. 8 નંબરનું છે, She is so understanding and happy with me. She is so understanding and happy with me. This sentence was said by Abu Mia to Govinda. I am sure Chandni will accompany to you till your last breath. This sentence was said by Govinda to Abumia. Astu, Jai Hind.